Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video of an Android TV box. Now, this box, I've been playing with it. I got a couple of them here. I've been playing with it for probably about 2 to 3 days, and this box is very, very nice. It's very, very powerful too. I'm gonna show you the specs, but the box I'm talking about is right there. Hopefully, you can see it. It is the N6 Plus, and it's made by Magicsee, and of course, it is an Android TV box. On the back right here, let me give you some specs. It is running Android 9. It does have the Logic S922X Cortex X73 A53 processor. It is 4 gigs RAM, 32 gigs of internal. Also, it has dual Wi-Fi, as you see, and if you have a MIMO router, you definitely gonna get some nice speeds. A couple of USB 3.0s, and you got the Bluetooth, and as you see at the bottom, the LAN 1000. So this is a gigabyte device right here, meaning if your speeds is over 100, it can match it. So on the unboxing, guys, now the box is kind of large, which is still good to sit up on your stand or wherever you have your TV at. But here it is right here. You see the logo on the top right here. So it is Magicsee, and you see the nice branding. It is a plastic box, and right here you'll get the time, the display of the time. But if it's facing you on the left hand side, you got the Wi-Fi antenna right here. You got 2 3.0 USB slots. Then you got 1 micro that can go right up in there. On the right side, you have nothing. And then in the back, guys, you got the power. You got 1 USB 2.0 HDMI out. Then you got the LAN. Remember, if you got speeds over 100 megabytes per second and you put it directly into your router, it's going to run very, very well. You got optical, and then you got the AV for the older TVs that use the red, the white, and yellow. All right, so let's dig in here some more, because that was the box. Of course, it comes with the power. It comes with a different remote control, which these are IR. Some of y'all know these are not great at all. So I suggest that you get some type of third-party device, like a keyboard, like a Logitech K400 or K400 Plus, something like this. Or you get you a micro or a mini keyboard with touchpad, and got your buttons right here. Very, very nice, backlit and all of that. So let's see what else. You get the HDMI cords, all right, and of course you get the antenna, so we can plug that in right now, or screw it in. By the way, we can't plug it in, but we can screw it in. That way y'all see it, and go from there and lean it up so it'll be just like that. It's a nice size antenna. All right, I got some antennas, but this is how it will look, just like this, guys. It will look just like this. Very, very nice though. I like it. I've been playing with it, and it's been working very, very well. Also, you'll get a manual. Some of y'all can read it, and it's colored. As you see, it's colored, so hopefully y'all can see that. Again, very, very nice. And I'm gonna just put this back in right quick, and then I'm going to show y'all, as y'all already see on your screen. Let me move this to the side, and let me actually move this box too, because it's going to get programmed later and sent to someone's home. All right, but let me make myself smaller, guys, that way you see the display. So when you first plug in your box, you will get this. And again, I do have the keyboard hooked up. The transition from app to app is very, very nice. I do have a monitor here. I have a monitor here, and of course the cameras, a couple cameras right here, and so I will display it right here. Just making sure it wasn't nothing in that corner. But as you see, you got the file browser, movie player. It does come with a gallery if you have some pictures. Of course, down in this area right here, you got the this is where you see all your apps. Of course, you got YouTube right here. you got the Play Store, and then you got your settings. Let's go and check out what apps come on this device. So right here you got the air screen. All right, so let me go over there. It comes with Chrome. Then you got the Droid settings. You got file browser, gallery again. So you see it does come with Netflix. The only thing about Netflix, it will show 480. You will not get the 4K out of this, but it got the full Play Store update, a OTA update. You got the voice search, so that's pretty good. Anytime you see this Google logo, you can actually, if you got the remote control, you can actually do the voice search. And then, you know, it comes with some wallpapers and again, YouTube. The device is very, very nice though. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go up to the Droid settings, which is right here. Let's go up in here. Let's see what we got. We go into the display. You can go in here and make some changes if you want. It's really personal preference. You got the CEC, so you can make it work with your TV and other devices like that. All right, so let's go into this setting over here. All right, so as you know, it is running Android 9, which is Pie. Of course, you can sign into your account, so like Google. You can do some apps. So again, we already looked at the apps, but let's go down to device preference. All right, so let's click on About. So as you see, you got it right here, guys. You see it right here, the N6 Plus. Also, you can restart and you can do a lot of things, guys. You can also go into developers mode. Let me move myself over. So if you press this bad boy build, you see that you can go into developers mode. And so for all my people who like to make some changes to the device, if you know what you're doing, when you go back out, you should have developers options right there. It should show up and you can go up in there and do some things. You do got the date and time, which you can go on here and change. Also some sound if you want to change the sound, or if you want to check the storage out. So when I check the storage, again, don't pay attention to this because I do have a flash drive. This is my USB flash drive. But after the operating system or everything get installed, I am left with 27 gigs of internal storage. So I got 27 gigs of free storage. All right. Screensavers, location, and all of that. Or you can strictly factory reset an Android device. All right. You can do all of that. Again, you got the MG settings. So if you go up in here, guys, you can actually turn on the root. So device, you got an option to turn it on or turn it off. So whenever I click the root, as you see, it is off right now. So when I turn it on, and you see it's on. So shout out to GoPro Donnie, because when I did this on my live, I couldn't do it. He said, hey Dale, restart it, which I am going to restart, and I'll show you that it is root. All right. And so you got your hardware monitor where you can make some changes, or screen rotation. So that's personal preference if you want to mess with that. And then of course you can hook up some devices, some remotes and accessories. So if I click in here, it can search for some Bluetooth devices, but I'm gonna click out, and also you see that Bluetooth is turned on. So guys, from here, I'm going to make the box mine. All right, I am going to make the box mine. I do plan to do something else with this device, but I'm gonna clean it up, throw some apps, give you some Wi-Fi speeds, and when it's plugged directly into the router. So give me a second and we'll go from there, guys. Okay guys, after carefully considering, why not just show you what I do? You know, I do have a flash drive, as y'all know, plugged directly in. Some of y'all know I actually program my devices just like that. So I'm gonna go up to the file browser right quick, which is right there. I'm gonna go into the USB disk, which is the flash drive. All right, I'm gonna go right here because as you see, I have a whole lot of folders, guys. But I'm gonna go into this one that says 1 August. All right, so I'm gonna click in there and I'm gonna add a couple applications. So what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna click add away, which I learned. I ain't gonna say I learned, but it is very, very nice. All right, so let me go back in. I hit the wrong button. Let me go and select that folder, hit enter, and then let me go down here and highlight add away, and then click enter. And let me move myself up so y'all can see some of the apps that I add. And I'm gonna just install it. It's highlighted. I'm gonna click install. Might have to go through some settings, but it actually let me go through, so I got that add away on there. Let's go to Analytics, because Analytics, that application actually allows you to run an internet speed test on your device. So if you're on Wi-Fi, you can get your Wi-Fi speed, and also if you plug directly into your router, you can get that too. So I'm gonna add that, and let's see. Are them the only two I'm gonna add right now? Yeah, those will be the only two I add right now, because I can get more in depth on my live show. And so when I hit the home button, guys, all right, so with that, you see this little plus right here, you can actually, and you see me using a test pad on this keyboard, I can click this and I can actually go up here and select some app. I'm gonna select Analytics, all right, and I can take away some. So if I don't want gallery on there, I'm gonna take gallery. I could take file browser. I could take, deselect movie player. I could deselect, image player. But maybe I'll put file browser back on. And what else? Let's go with, I could select YouTube. So let me go down here and select YouTube. All right. And let me go, I guess I could just select add away too. All right, so when I go back home, you will see all the applications that have the green check. It will be on the home page of this device. All right, so when I hit the home or I go back, as you see right here, you see add away and Analytics. So right now, guys, what I'm gonna do, I may have to, I can't remember if I guess I got it plugged directly in. So let me just go ahead and hit Analytics right quick. All right, so let me do a quick test, which is right here. Y'all see on some devices it'll come up like this. And so I'm gonna do a quick test. And again, this is a gigabyte device, and it's very, very nice. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very, very nice device. You can get the one I got it for $109 on Amazon. I'll leave that link in the description, or you can just go to my Amazon store and actually select it. Very, very nice device, but I'm gonna take it to a whole nother level. Just give me another week. So again, what I can do, I always check it twice to make sure it's nice. So I'm gonna do another test on it. All right, and again, this is hardwired. All right, this device, and you can tell because it says wired Ethernet. It says wired. So very, very nice speeds, very, very nice. But I am going to set it up where I can do the Wi-Fi. All right, so let me do that. I don't think I signed into my Wi-Fi, so let me sign in. Hold up. Okay, guys, for anyone that don't know how to set up the Wi-Fi, again, you can go to your settings. And all you have to do is go to network and internet. All right. Once you go to network and internet, you can enter in your password for your Wi-Fi, and then you should be off and running. All right. So let me go ahead and check Analytics. It says not now, so I'm not going to give them no permission, not right now. And again, we're going to check it twice to make sure it's nice. All right. So as you see, the internet speed, 173 is pretty good. I think I paid for like 350, but 173 is very, very good. I'm getting 173 on the download, 55 on the up. But again, guys, check it twice to make sure it's nice and you're getting an accurate reading. So I'm gonna go back and check it again. And I'm not giving them no permission, as you see. Oh man, they be wanting access to everything. All right, so I'm getting 176, so that's pretty good, guys. Honestly, it is not the best, but you can do some damage with this. And so finally, as y'all see right there, so finally I want to make sure it is rooted. Y'all seen me check to see if it was rooted earlier, so I'm gonna go ahead and restart this device right here, and you're gonna see the animation and the boot upload and see the box go at it, and then we're gonna make sure it is the root is turned on. So again, while we got this little break, I want to salute everybody. Keep doing what y'all doing. Have fun with these devices. Make the box yours. Enjoy the device, and then go from there, guys. I mean, it's very, very nice. All right. So I'm gonna go over here and do the Adaway right quick. And Adaway is a very, very nice app for removing ads from a lot of applications. All right, from a lot. So I'm gonna hit download files and apply ad blocking, and it should go through. All right, as you see right there, it applied, so it will reboot. And so any type of application that you put on here that has a bunch of ads and all of that, it should, it shouldn't display it. And so that's a very, very nice application to use. Very, very nice. And so on my live show this coming Friday, you'll see me. I will go into more in depth how to make the box yours. I don't want this to be a 20-minute video. I definitely want you to see this box, how fast it boot up. Did you know how fast it boot up? If I do it again, just pay attention to how fast it boot up. And for people who have the keyboard on Android TV devices, without using the remote control, you can just hit Control-Alt-Delete on your keyboard or your mini keyboard, and it will reboot. All right, and so you see it come up with the Magicsee, and this got to be like less than like 20 seconds. And then you got the sidebar down here. I'm just moving stuff, and it's very, very fast. So let me check. All right, so that's another client of mine. But guys, this is a very, very nice box. Believe me, I ran Kodi on here, and guys, when I tell you it went so fast, it went very, very fast. I mean, just putting the URL in there and letting it do its thing is not faster than the Shield, but this bad boy is fast. And again, I can't display Kodi on YouTube because y'all know how that go, but believe me when I tell you, if you got one of the regular budget Android 40, 50, 60, 70, $80 boxes, when you get this one, and this is very, very nice, guys. So let me show you right here. All right, this is very, very nice. This is it right here, the Magicsee N6 Plus Android 9.0. This is where you get it. I'm gonna leave a link down there, and this is a very, very powerful device. I'm not gonna lie. When y'all get it, if you get it, you gonna feel it. Really, when you start playing movies and all of that. I wish I could show you more, but you know how YouTube is. They very, very quick to react if you put the wrong content or you display the wrong content and you monetize. So I'm not about to even go to YouTube jail or be put on suspension and fight and all of that. I can't do that. But again, salute to everyone. Remain safe out there, guys. It is a pandemic still going on, and we'll take it to the next level. I will do more with this device on Friday at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you there. Come learn. Come see what it is. This is Superdell, and I am signing out. Peace, guys. Be safe. I am out.